In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify with eBay, a simple yet crucial task if you're looking to expand your online sales channels efficiently. Whether you're a small business owner or an e-commerce enthusiast looking to broaden your market reach, integrating Shopify with eBay allows you to manage listings, inventory, and fulfillment from a unified platform, significantly reducing the time and effort required to operate two separate stores. First off, make sure your Shopify store is set up and that you have an active eBay account. It's important that both platforms are configured correctly to prevent any hiccups during the integration process. With everything in order, head over to your Shopify admin page. This is where we'll begin the magic of linking your accounts. Once you're there, look for the Apps section on the left-hand menu and click on it. This is your gateway to accessing a myriad of tools that make Shopify a versatile e-commerce platform. In the Apps section, you'll need to find the eBay app specifically, so type eBay into the search bar and hit enter. You'll see the eBay Shopify integration app pop up. Click on it, and then hit Add App to begin the installation process. This app acts like a bridge between your Shopify store and your eBay account, seamlessly connecting them for easy management. Next, you'll need to authorize the connection between Shopify and eBay, ensuring they work in tandem smoothly. You'll be prompted to sign in to your eBay account within the app to grant necessary permissions. This step is critical because it allows Shopify to post listings and manage orders on your behalf, saving you time and minimizing errors in product data. After successfully linking your eBay account, it's time to configure your settings to reflect how you wish to manage operations on eBay. The app will guide you through setting up your preferences, such as pricing rules, inventory management methods, and shipping defaults. Take your time with these configurations, as they dictate how your listings appear on eBay and how orders are processed. Once everything is set up, the final step is to review and publish your listings. Go to the Listings section within the app, where you can select products from your Shopify inventory to be posted on eBay. Verify all the details like titles, descriptions, prices, and images so they appear exactly as you intend on eBay. When satisfied, hit Publish to make your products go live for millions of eBay shoppers to discover. And just like that, you've linked Shopify with eBay, opening up your business to a broader market. This integration not only streamlines your sales operations but also enhances your ability to track inventory and orders, providing a more cohesive business management experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has made your e-commerce journey a little bit easier.